everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to open GM Financial account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in gmfinancial.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of GM Financial. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for login. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. But if you do not have the account yet, you can register for your account. Over here you'll be able to find the option for register now. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the registration interface. From here you'll be able to register for your account. You'll have to use your account number or social security number in order to get started. Simply click on the option of your choice. If you clicked on this option, use account number, you'll have to enter the account number over here. If you clicked on the option use social security number, you'll have to click on this option. After doing that, you'll have to enter the social security number and date of birth over here. So click on the field of SSN and enter the SSN over here. Make sure to enter the correct social security number. Now also enter the date of birth. First of all, enter the month. Now enter the day. Likewise, enter the year. Now after doing that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after doing that, in another interface, you'll need to provide more information. Simply provide the informations. After that, what you have to do is enter your email address and you'll be prompted to create a password for yourself. You may also need to verify your email address or phone number. Simply verify your account. After that, simply set up your profile. Provide any additional information needed to finalize your profile. Once you do that, you'll be able to manage your account. So like this, you'll be able to create a GM Financial account. So that is how you open GM Financial account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.